10 Essential Tips for Cat Owners to Ensure a Happy and Healthy Feline Companion. Bringing a cat into your home is an exciting and rewarding experience. As a responsible cat owner, it's crucial to provide your feline friend with the best possible care. From nutrition and grooming to playtime and veterinary visits, there are various factors to consider to ensure your cat's well-being. In this video, we present 10 essential tips to help you become a confident and caring cat owner. Provide a balanced diet. A nutritious diet is vital for your cat's overall health. Offer high-quality cat food that meets their specific nutritional requirements. Consult your veterinarian for guidance on the appropriate portion sizes and the importance of a balanced diet to prevent obesity and other health issues. Regular veterinary care. Schedule regular visits to the veterinarian to ensure your cat's vaccinations are up to date and to address any health concerns. Annual checkups are crucial to detect early signs of illness and to keep your feline companion in optimal health. Hygiene and grooming. Regular grooming sessions are essential to maintain your cat's coat and prevent matting. Brushing their fur helps to remove loose hair and reduce hairballs. Additionally, remember to trim their nails, clean their ears, and brush their teeth regularly for good oral hygiene. Create a safe indoor environment. Cats are curious creatures, so ensure your home is a safe haven for them. Keep toxic plants, chemicals, and small objects out of their reach. Provide them with appropriate toys and scratching posts to satisfy their natural instincts and prevent destructive behavior. Promote exercise and playtime. Engage your cat in regular exercise to prevent obesity and boredom. Interactive play sessions using toys, laser pointers, or feather wands are great for stimulating their hunting instincts. Provide vertical spaces, like cat trees or shelves, for climbing and exploration. Litter box maintenance. Maintaining a clean litter box is crucial for your cat's hygiene and overall well-being. Scoop the litter box daily and change the litter frequently. Cats are naturally clean animals, and a dirty litter box can lead to stress or litter box aversion. Provide mental stimulation. Keep your cat mentally stimulated to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Puzzle toys, treat dispensing toys, and even hiding treats around the house can provide mental challenges and entertainment for your feline companion. Ensure proper identification. Accidents happen, and cats can sometimes wander away. Ensure your cat has a collar with identification tags containing your contact information. Microchipping is an additional measure that can greatly increase the chances of being reunited with your cat if they get lost. Safe outdoor access. If you allow your cat outdoor access, ensure it is done safely. Consider building a secure outdoor enclosure or creating a catio to provide them with fresh air and a safe space to explore without the risks of roaming freely outdoors. Shower them with love and attention. Lastly, shower your feline friend with love and attention. Cats thrive on affection and companionship. Spend quality time with your cat, provide gentle petting, and engage in interactive play to strengthen the bond between you and your furry companion. Being a responsible cat owner involves providing proper nutrition, health care, a safe environment, mental stimulation, and plenty of love and attention. By following these 10 essential tips, you can ensure a happy and healthy life for your feline friend. Remember, cats rely on us for their well-being, and your efforts will be rewarded with a lifetime of love and companionship.